Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another unboxing. This is a new unboxing to me. It is the Play by Sephora box. And first let me tell you a little bit about the box. It is $10 a month. I'm sorry, already my dogs are going crazy. Anyways, it's $10 a month. You get 5 deluxe makeup, skincare, and hair care, and a beauty bonus in a collectible makeup bag. And then you get 50 beauty insider points for Sephora. All right, so first let's just cut into this and see what we have this month. This is, I think, similar to Ipsy, where you like take a quiz and then everybody gets a different box and everybody gets the same box. I think there's a couple variations of a box that you can get, but yeah. So let's see. It looks like this inside. That says love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, sephora.com/play. So yeah. The first thing I'm seeing once I get into here is this little pamphlet, right? And then on the back it has everything that you've got in your bag, and then right here is your beauty insider points. It says in store or online, so that's cool. I know previously they were only able to be redeemed in store, but they've added the online option now too, which is cool for me because there's no Sephora near me. Well, there is like an hour and a half away, but you know, so that's cool for people like me who live in the middle of nowhere. Oh, also let me apologize if you hear my AC running. It is really hot here in Arizona. I normally try to turn that down so you can't hear it, but it's too hot today, so you might hear some background noise, aside from my crazy dogs. Okay, so here's what the bag looks like. It's just a blue, like, kind of canvas bag with some, looks like a shoestring kind of material. And it just says, Play by Sephora. Okay, so let's see what the first item I got is. So this is an item made by Sephora. It is called Mask. Is that in a different language? Oh yes, that was French, I think. It's a mud mask purifying and mattifying. I actually won't be trying this out because I know the Sephora brand tests on animals, so I will be giving this to somebody else. It's just a really small sample, if you see. It's just really tiny. Or maybe adding it to a giveaway or something, but yeah. Let me see what the value is on that. So that is, oh, they don't even have the values on here, so I guess we'll just figure it out ourselves. Yeah, okay. The next item in here is a dry shampoo. It is from Drybar. My camera does not want to focus on anything. Can you see that? I don't know. It is Detox Dry Shampoo. It is cruelty-free. I love dry shampoo. It's great. I'm trying to get a whiff of it without killing myself. It smells kind of masculine a little bit. It's not bad though. Yeah, I'll definitely use this. It's nice to like keep in your purse or something, a small little sample like that, so that's cool. Okay, next we have, it looks like a foil packet in here. This is, oh, it looks like, I think it's a perfume sample. It's from YSL. It's called Black Opium. This I'm not going to use either. I know this brand also tests on animals, so I don't know how it smells, but it's just a little perfume sample, so I'm sure I can give that to somebody. Okay. Looks like I have 3 more items in here. This one is also a item that is not cruelty-free. You would think Benefit would be cruelty-free, but it is not. This is the POREfessional Pore Primer. I've heard awesome things about this. I would love to try it, but I will not be trying this one out either. So there's that. It's just a little small, let me see if I can get this out of the packaging. It's like the teeniest, tiniest sample. Like, look how tiny that is. I think you could get maybe like 3 uses out of this. But, so that is a no. So far I have 1 item that I can use that is not cruelty-free out of the, 6 items, and 1 that is cruelty-free. So let's see what we have next. So this is an eyeliner. This is the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. It's in the shade Trooper Black. Kat Von D I know is cruelty free. I've never tried anything from her, but I know this is like a cult classic as far as eyeliners go. People like love this stuff. So let me just do a little swatch. It's not terrible, but oh, I thought this was like a felt tip, but it's like a brush tip. That's kind of cool. So there to swatch. It's pretty dark. That's cool. So yeah, I will definitely use that. Okay, and then the last item we have in here is from Marc Jacobs. It is a mascara, I believe. Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Let's see if I can get a... So here is the wand. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Better Than Sex wand from Too Faced. So yeah, I definitely will try that out. This is cruelty free. I'm not sure if I said that or not, but I'm fairly sure Marc Jacobs is cruelty free. So yeah. So let's see. Out of the 6 items, 3 were cruelty free. I got a mascara that's cruelty free, like a black eyeliner that's cruelty free, and a dry shampoo that's cruelty free. So that's cool. I will definitely try all those out. I know, like, who needs another black mascara, but I'm excited. I've never tried anything from that brand, either that or the black eyeliner, neither one of them. So I'm excited about that. Then we got the mud mask, which is not cruelty free. We have the primer that is not cruelty free, and then the perfume sample, which is not cruelty free. So, you know, half is cruelty free, half's not. It's not a terrible box. I don't expect... You know what? I do kind of expect companies to be cruelty-free. The only reason they're not is out of pure greed, just so they can sell in China. And that's not cool to me. Like, whatever. But, you know, it's their companies. They can do what they want, and I will make my voice heard with the money I spend, you know? So I don't support those companies, and that's that. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys later. Have a good one, guys. Bye.